It's the Found Physics Museum. I'm in the Empire State Plaza concourse, and I'd like to persuade you that the probability we assign a proposition or statement about the world should depend on what we know about the world relevant to the proposition. So it's called conditional probability. The proposition I'd like to discuss is this statement: the men's room in front of me is locked. Well, I'm making a video. I'm inside the concourse. So the concourse is open. Probably restrooms will be open when buildings or structures are open that contain them. So you might want to assign initially a high probability to the proposition that the restroom is open, right? So 95% that it's open, 5% that it's locked. 5% because there might be something about the situation you don't know. Well, if you've seen my video about the locking of the restrooms close to Madison Avenue on evenings and over weekends, you'll know that there is something else of relevance. So you might do the math to figure out, what fraction of the time is it an evening or weekend, out of the hours you expect the concourse is open, and do the math and come up with an estimate of the probability that the men's room in front of me is locked. But is there anything about the video that suggests whether this is an evening or weekend day, or whether it's during business hours that I'm filming this? Yeah, there's very little background noise. So it is, in fact, a weekend evening. It's Saturday evening. And so then the question becomes, is this the Madison Avenue men's room or the other men's room? Because I mentioned in the video, other video, that there were two sets of restrooms. So we'll conclude that it is a weekend day, and that there's a 1/2 probability that this is the restroom that gets locked on weekends, and the men's room. And so the probability we'd assign would be a half, minus some that it's locked, minus a little bit in case they forgot to lock it. So 47.5% that it's locked. And it's locked. It's Found Physics.